We're doing a trout line today. We're going to go crabbing this afternoon. Rachel, this is what she's doing. 1,200 foot, billy to billy. 200 baits. She's been here since 3 o'clock this morning. She hasn't been here since 3 o'clock.
Hour.
Takes her about an hour to do it. She's got a fractured foot, that's why she's sitting down. She ain't got her boot on. Don't listen to the doctor.
I had it on earlier.
But we'll see how we set it all up once we get out on the water, all right? Take it easy. We got some nice size bags, probably. All right, so I'll take these two. Here's my two buoys. On one end is a 25-pound weight. And then I will just, you can hold on for a second. Just kind of keep us here. Then we got the buoy. And up here, it's going to lead down to, I don't know exactly how long each line is. Each line is. So I got the weight, bunch of line, comes to my buoy. Buoy has a line. And then this is going to be actually to a chain. This chain, when you open up, will be hooked to the bait line. And then I just want to make sure I'm set. So we're all set, okay? So now what you're gonna do, my wife's gonna turn around. She's gonna find a spot up there, probably one of them trees. And then she's gonna try to go straight. I'm gonna let this feed out and then we'll let it sit for a couple minutes. Don't go too close to the shore. I want you to stick out here just a little bit, all right? But you see that bunch of trees right there? Looks like a palm tree.
Yeah.
Head right after there.
Yeah.
Yeah, just go, back towards that end. Stay away from this point here, okay? You want to throw your weight in. You can go a little faster if you want. There's the buoy. You want to keep it a little tight, not too tight. You know, so I always kind of give it a little snag. The last 5 didn't have any necks on there. We ran out of chicken necks, or they were frozen, and I just said screw it. Hold up, there you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. And you just feed this right in. There ain't no special way. You feed it right in. You don't try to do nothing special, put it in circles or anything. You feed it right in. There's the line. It's gonna come up to the buoy. All right, slow up a little bit. Give it a little tight. And there's the other end.
way.
So I don't think I was taping the first run. We're coming up, and the sun is really getting us really blind right here. So we're going to come the other way, but we got 3, and we only did half a run. Half a run, and I got 2. I actually got a female in here. We can't keep her. We got to throw her back in Maryland. We're not allowed to keep females. So for only a half a run, we already got half a dozen of crabs. I can say, if it stays true, I see a bushel in our future. So what we have here is, how can I do this without? If you look here, if you see the bottom, see, it looks like the Capitol Dome. Yeah, the Capitol Dome. That's your female. And most of the time, the females, you see how orange the tip of their claws are. Well, we can't keep them in Maryland. That's a female. The male. Trying to do this where I don't get bit. If you see more of the, what the hell is that building? No, the apron is Washington Monument. Washington Monument. That's kind of what. That's your male right there. Pretty muddy. They're muddy crabs out here. Where we usually go, we get some. These are the nice crabs. So we got 2, 4, 6.
Just let me know.
Yeah. If you see her, yeah, I'm sorry, I dropped her. But if you look, I'm trying that she ain't it's really light. She is a soft crab. So Sam's gonna have a soft crab sandwich. We're gonna put her in. That's the only way we can keep her because she's female, is because she is a soft crab. All right, so we had about an hour drive home. So we took a towel and wet it really good. Keeps them moist, for the transport. It wasn't horribly hot today, but it was in the 80s. Got some nice crabs, about a half bushel. That's steaming. It's time to load them in. So I turned the burner on full blast. Once it starts steaming, once it starts steaming, I'll turn the fire down because it'll keep it rolling. So now comes even the fun part. You done crabbed all day.
Put that on for you. Over there. That's too funny. Huh?
Sorry, turn the music down because it's telling me copyright crap. I gotta replace a couple of these snoods.
Yes.
I got a whole bunch of them over there.
Yes.
Pull this, just twist. Disgusting with chicken neck. And then every once in a while I'll squirt this down with the hose. Do it tonight, that way I ain't got to worry about it tomorrow. 1,200 foot, probably take me about an hour. I'll go up, take a shower, and I'll be done for the night. That's it, we're going to do 1,200 foot. Crabs are almost done. Beer. Got a beer before the night. It's only 8:30 at night. We called it done about 6. We were good. We got a half bushel of crabs. That's plenty. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, just subscribe, like it, hit the comment, you know everything. Comment, let me know what you thought about it. Anything you'd like me to do, you know. Alright, so make sure you get outside, Maryland. Fish bump.